CoWriter is a predictive text generator. Once CoWriter is turned on by clicking on the toggle, it automatically starts to predict what I want to write.
Start typing. Start typing here.
As you notice, as I type, the program reads what I've typed. I can also enable the text-to-speech feature. This feature is especially useful for students who struggle to type. And I can enable that by clicking on the microphone here and clicking on the microphone in the box. Please start typing here, period. And I click the microphone again for it to stop listening to me. I also want to show you the options available to you in CoWriter. So if you click on the CoWriter extension and go to options, there are different features here. The ones that I do want to show you are here. You can change the number of guesses in that box that shows. You can also change the font. What I really like is changing the background color from white to a different color that stands out. So as you can see, my box is yellow and it stands out better than just being plain white. I can also change the voice. Maybe I don't like David and I want to change it to this one.
Welcome to the CoWriter extension. You can change the pitch, rate, and volume of speech using the sliders below.
You can change those things right here using these sliders.